Hey guys, it's finals week and I'm gonna dye my hair because stress. So we will be using hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, some conditioner, and a little coconut oil. I'm starting by putting a little coconut oil just so it doesn't dry out my hair too much. Then I'm gonna put the Aussie Moist Miracle Conditioner. Guys, this is my life on a daily basis. This is just it. Mix that all in, put a little peroxide and the baking soda. I am not measuring anything because so all of these products you can find in your house, so it's a cheap way. And you just want to mix it until you get a thick consistency. Oops. Just letting you guys know, this is a very messy method. I've done this before back in, I think, 2016, and it lightened my hair, but probably could have been a little better. So I think this consistency is pretty fine. We'll put it in 4 sections for now. I do recommend that you use gloves. And probably smaller sections. So I have it all over my hair. I did not do the roots. Just so you can see, I did clear it out before I applied it, and I'm gonna put it on for 30 minutes and be right back. It's been 30 minutes, so let's see what we have here. So I'm not sure if I see any change off the bat. I think I'm seeing a little brown, but I'm not sure. Wait. I'll leave it on for about 20 more minutes and come back when I wash it out. So here's how my hair looks after I wash it out. The baking soda treatment doesn't really work right away. Well, it can once you sit in the sun for like 45 minutes to an hour during the process. However, I was unable to do that. But after spending time in the sun and letting my hair absorb the heat from the sun, my hair started to look like this a couple months after. So these videos were taken in June and I did the treatment in December. It's also important to note that my hair looks different in some of these videos because of the lighting. This method isn't as harsh as bleach because you can control the amount of product that you use. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for coming to Caption. Like, comment, and subscribe.